Welcome to 11902 10th Line, a wonderful end-unit townhome close to many important amenities and situated within a high-demand community of Stouffville. Its covered front entry invites you into a ceramic-tiled foyer with mirrored coat closet and where a wall cutout maintains an openness to the kitchen area. Bright and spacious, the kitchen has abundant cabinetry storage and counter workspace, stainless steel stove, dishwasher, fridge and double sink, ceramic flooring, and plenty of room for a breakfast area. A powder room with pedestal sink is nestled off a main hallway finished with beautiful hardwood floors, with the hardwood continued into a generously sized living room with a large west-facing window allowing for abundant natural lighting. This room offers plenty of family and entertaining space, which can easily spill out into a fully fenced backyard that can be transformed into a personal outdoor retreat, and which also gives access to a detached single-car garage and its parking pad. A carpeted staircase with hardwood railing leads to the upper level, which is carpeted throughout and features a 4-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, 2 bright bedrooms, and a linen closet. The second bedroom comes with ample closet space and is an ideal child's bedroom, while the master bedroom has a walk-in closet and space for a cozy sitting area. The unspoiled lower level has a laundry area and lots of potential for additional living space, and this great starter home is within walking distance to public and Catholic schools, parks, and public transit. Stouffville's historic Main Street for shopping, restaurants, entertainment, and the GO station is just a short drive away, as are community and recreational facilities, golf courses, as well as Highway 48 and York-Durham Line for commuting within York and Durham regions.